This is what it looks like from the top of the hill. Over there you can see a couple of guys car to death. I'm assuming it's stolen. It's got a flat tire and missing a fender, and now it's overheating. So this hill is a good, I don't know, 120 feet maybe. It looks a lot steeper from the top. I don't know what it looks like on the contour, but we'll see if we can get these guys come up here. Alright, here we go. Jackson on the CPR, and looks like Brad on the SSR. So Jackson has moved up from a 110 Pitbike to the CPR 125 about 2 months ago, and it looks like he's finally comfortable on it. There he goes. He wouldn't even attempt something like this a month ago. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Oh yeah! Nice, yeah, good position. Alright, here comes Evan. He's a brand new rider, only a couple months experience, rocking the Chinese Pitbike. He hasn't learned about getting off the seat yet, but I have a feeling he's going to learn whether he likes to or not. Look at that, up the step, 2 steps, and here comes Brad. This guy is like 220 pounds, rocking the SSR, coming up 120-foot hill climb. 1 step. Hill tire spin, 2 steps.